most handy thing in the world to fill up, is it really? We spilt anything?
No.
Dad will come round here and get in the way now, won't he?
He's on his way, I reckon, by the sounds of it. Oh, here he comes, getting a bit... Oh, 2 bells on the loader.
Farm again.
Looking like they're going on the transit. What's that, Ted?
I don't think I spilt any.
Hell of an operation going on around here.
Is that move?
Yeah, it's above quarter now.
That's a support. What do you think, Pooh? What do you reckon then, Dave?
Eh?
Oh, the injector pump's a fair way down, isn't it?
Long reach.
You reckon it's the one on the back of the
Yeah, it's
pump?
got a screw on the back, look.
Yeah.
And that's got a lock wire on it that says to me, leave me alone.
Yeah, which says rip it off
Try
and
it.
wind it in a load. Give it all the diesel in the world. After the TDI remap on the Antar, we were both keen to give it a try down the road to see if we'd got any more power. Do you reckon she's TDI remap now?
Yeah, she's had a bit of power now.
She's ready for the big roll some coal.
Last time it was pulling the tank up the hill, it was just completely clear, wasn't it?
Yeah,
So it should have a black haze now.
plume. Let's take it for a test drive. Hey Pooh, test drive. Now the old farm is showing its age. We had some terrible weather the other day and one of the old dairy walls has fell down. And what we're doing is nothing about it. Gentle driving. The Antar squeezes by. You were determined to hit that wall, weren't you? Just so everyone's aware, it smokes this bad when it's cold. It does eventually warm up and stop. better.
Brilliant fun.
You may have clipped 2 cones.
It wasn't going to fit, was it?
That seemed to have,
It changed the gear lovely.
it sounded like it was going up
The
then.
clutch brake is ever so sensitive, so when you go to change,
Yeah.
don't put your foot all the way down on the clutch.
Half press.
Get it up to the gear and then touch the clutch brake, bang, straight
Oh, I
in.
see. Yeah.
Then down the gear, just tip the clutch a little out and rev it, and it'll go in.
You were indicating the wrong way a little bit at the
I
start.
just realised that when I got to the top.
Ah. What are you doing? What are you doing, Boo? The big trailer. Reckon you've got it? That is up. Undercover. Nice and dry.
think, Ted?
Does sound good.
Foden's got better brakes.
Huh?
Foden's got better brakes.
Yeah? That is too loud. Right, so apologies, I didn't actually put a video out last weekend. And this was supposed to be a midweek video, and it's very much not now, it's now Thursday. Busy doing many things, but mainly putting everything away for winter hibernation. All the engines and parts and bits and pieces. Some of that just frankly just isn't very exciting, but it's what we've been busy doing recently. So that's why we haven't really put anything out. I don't want to put a video out if I don't think it's very interesting. But this weekend, we have got something interesting. We've gone and moved a heavy German vehicle. So that'll be quite an interesting video for this weekend, which will definitely be up. And next week, we're going to pick up a new vehicle for us, I believe, or we'll at least go and see it. So there's that to come. There's many other good things to come. Hope you all enjoy the video, and we'll see you again very soon. A great car, a great deal more.
Great cars and a great deal more.